Live.
Hey yo, we live? We live?
We live. We live. We live.
Sure.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Let me refresh. Let me refresh. Yes, sir. Wait, new setup? New setup?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
The stream setup.
Oh, I thought this is how we had it.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we had it like
Really?
mhm,
Oh, damn, I don't
a
remember
couple
then.
times
Oh, my
already. We had
bad.
it like this. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Hey, I'm glad. I like it. I like it. Damn, bro. All right, bro. We're back. We're back after 2 weeks. No streams. We're back. We're back. Hey, you wanna show the what's on the other side of that bottle?
No.
Oof,
What do you mean? What do you
alright.
mean?
Hey, bro, show the logo, bro. Show the logo.
How's it look? How's it look?
Let me see. I can't see. I'm watching your the stream, so it's a little bit of a delay.
It's an
Uh,
Owala.
it's an Awala.
Owala. Owala.
Bro. Okay, okay, okay. I see. I see. Eh, bro. I see. Hey, looking pretty good, bro. I
Yeah,
like
man.
those letters on it. I like those
Me
letters.
too. Me too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Um, what was I gonna say? All right, Jose. I mean, we're back, Jose.
We're
What have you
back. We're
been up
back.
to, bro? What have you what's been up? Why actually
Ah.
let's explain why we were gone, if there's a reason. Maybe there's not a reason. You
Well,
tell
we were
me.
gone, because we were moving to Austin, Texas.
Whoa,
Yeah,
now you
we
leaked. Now you
Whoa!
leaked already, bro. You
Hey,
serious?
hey, it's come
God
on, bro.
damn it. Oh,
I
just
thought we
like
said it,
that.
no? I thought we said it, no?
I mean, I don't know, dude. I guess now you said it, so now we're cooked. Now we
Oh,
DDoS. Now they
man,
know where we're
bro,
at, bro.
man, bro. Nah, we had to move to a place far, far away, a galaxy far, far away, to start our internship. So it's been it's been good. It's been good. It's a great first week. It was nice. It was interesting. I liked it. I enjoyed it. And I'm ready for more, brother.
Yes,
And
sir.
that's why we've been gone. Been setting it up, everything and stuff. And yeah, I'm excited, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the first week, I think it was because finals week, we had a lot of stuff
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
leading up to the move. Second week, uh, second week because we're moving the second week, so we couldn't get that, and then now we're here.
Now we're
So
here, baby.
we're
Now
set
we're
up.
here.
I got a new chair, everyone. I got a
You
new
got a new
chair.
chair.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
shut up. Let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna wait for the delay.
You can barely see it. Let me see.
Uh,
Anyways, yeah.
Damn. Okay. Okay.
New
That's
chair.
nice, bro. That's new
New
chair.
chair.
New
New
chair.
chair. I
Okay.
got a new bike.
Woo!
You
I
see
can
the
see it in the
bike?
background, bro. Yes,
You see the
sir.
bike? I just
Yes,
bought it
sir.
today.
Woo!
We'll see. The air wasn't the tires weren't aired up whenever I got it.
Oh,
So I couldn't
you
test
gotta
it
check the
out.
air.
I went to Target to buy a pump. That was a
Okay.
hassle to get it aired up. And then finally got it
Really?
aired up. And now I rode it in the Target parking lot and then rode it over here at the apartment complex. You got to ride the
Damn.
bike as well.
From the Target over here. Ooh,
No,
fast,
no,
bro.
no, no, no. So we'll
Oh,
see.
okay.
I'm gonna wake up in the morning and hope that the tires are still aired up. So
Yeah, yeah. Put it
yeah.
in water. Get a bucket of water and move it around. If there's any bubbles, you got a leak.
Okay, okay, okay. I appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, of course.
So tomorrow, me and Jose, we gotta go. We test it out. You going to
We
run?
gotta.
I'll ride the
Yeah.
bike. And
Okay,
then
okay.
we'll see
What
how it
time though?
goes.
What time?
I don't know, man. Early, whatever. It's Memorial Day.
Early?
It's a holiday,
It is. It is. It is. It is.
paid holiday.
Um. Hey, that is true, baby. Woo,
Hey,
hoo,
hey,
hoo,
hey,
baby.
hey,
We getting that
hey,
money, baby. We getting the
hey,
money. We getting
hey.
the money. I love
Paid
to you.
holiday. And you know
Oh
what?
man,
You know what else is a paid holiday?
your birthday.
June
Hey,
19th.
hey,
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 hey. hey,
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 hey.
hey, bro. Hey,
So,
what's the plan
anyways,
for that? What's the plan for that?
I don't know, dude. Probably just stay inside.
Oh man, dude. All
Just
right, bro. I'll,
ride,
I'll get I'll get you a cake though.
just
Don't
ride
worry.
my bike or something. I don't know, dude.
All right, bet.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what happens this Tuesday, brother?
Your birthday. Hey,
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 hey, dude. We're
hey,
locking
hey.
in.
We're locking in, bro. We're locking
I
in.
already know what to get you for your birthday.
Oh damn, bro. Nah, bro. You don't have to get me anything,
Nah, I
bro.
already know
All
what to
good,
get you. I
all
already know
good,
what to
bro.
get you.
Nah, nah, nah.
But we
I'm
gotta go
good, brother.
together because we gotta make sure we get the right one.
Okay, bet.
So it's not gonna be a surprise. Like it's just I'm gonna go with you and I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll
All
see.
right, bet. Hey, but you don't have to get me anything, brother. It's okay, bro.
No, 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 no. We need to get you something, man. But
All right, bet.
I owe some others some birthday gifts too. I missed some birthday gifts in the past. But now, now it's coming back around. Now we
Yes,
gotta
sir.
now we gotta start paying the dues, if you will.
All right,
So don't
bet.
think I forgot. Don't think I forgot.
Nah, it's all good, bro. It's all good, bro. You
But all
know.
right, man.
All
What
right,
else?
brother.
What else been new? What else been new?
Um. Oh, I might change to Mac OS.
You might change to Mac OS. Oh wow.
Yeah. Been thinking about it.
Uh
I've been
huh.
using a Mac for the internship. It's
Uh
been
huh.
good. It's been good. I love the interface. I love how smooth it is. I feel weird using my laptop now. Um, but I don't know, bro. I like it. I like it. I enjoy it.
Yeah. You asked me
So
a couple times of like how to move some folders around.
yeah, yeah, I
Some.
don't know. I like the UI, very minimalistic,
Uh
straight to
huh.
the point, nothing too crazy. The commands are good and stuff. But
Yeah.
we'll see. Other than that, it's been pretty good.
All right.
Yeah. If you're ready, I'm ready, brother.
All right. I'm ready. Let's go.
All right,
What are we doing,
okay.
Jose? What are we doing?
What are we doing? I don't know. We said we are gonna make sure we said we were gonna
Also, I
check
gotta
it
sign
out
in.
right now. Yeah, sign in.
Oh,
Bring Ooh, fast, bro. Don't leak.
sign in before Google.
I think so.
All right.
Hey, yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. What do you want to do, bro? What difficulty? What are the vibes? We haven't done LeetCode in a while,
Yeah.
so we might need to ease in a little bit. Make
Okay.
sure to get our feet wet again.
Mm,
But yeah, let's see, bro. What's in the menu? What's in the menu?
let's try. How's oof.
Oh.
Oof. Um, give me a second. Return the node at which two lists intersect. If the two lists have no intersection, return null. This will be
Mm.
interesting. Let's try it. I don't know how to do it,
Okay.
but we'll try it.
Okay. Me neither. Me
Yeah.
neither. Let
Also,
me
Jeremy,
expand you.
what's up, man? I said hi to you in the chat earlier, but I didn't get the chance to reread your thing, bro. He said, "Damn, bro, really got the chair and a new bike. Crazy, yes, sir, bro.
This
We
guy,
moving,
bro.
we moving
Ooh,
quick.
fast,
We
bro.
moving quick, baby. We
Ooh,
moving quick.
fast.
So
This
yeah,
man is
we moving quick.
crazy.
Look at my old chair. Hold on, look at this trash
Let me see.
chair, bro. I've had
Damn,
this.
bro.
I've had this since like 2019, man. Sorry.
Ooh, fast, but that's a long time. Let's see. 9. Yeah, it's about 5 years. 4 years.
Yeah,
5 years.
and I got it off of
And six
Amazon for
years.
like $100, dude. I don't recommend getting getting chairs off Amazon.
Really?
Yeah, at least make sure it's a good chair. So,
Got you,
anyways,
got you.
anyways, okay,
Damn,
my bad, my bad.
bro. You might. Oh, how much? Well, no, I'm not gonna ask because then
Wait,
I'm gonna
wait,
start
whoa, whoa, whoa!
start thinking about
I
getting
can't
one.
leak how much I got it for.
You can, yeah. You can't leak. You can't leak.
Yeah,
All right, bet, bro.
but
Okay, so
Okay,
Intersection of two linked lists. All right, you want to read this one
I could read
because
it. Yeah,
it's
I could
your
read it.
power. I
Yeah,
bet,
yeah,
bet,
yeah. Oh my,
bet.
an essay.
Oh,
Okay. So we got 160 intersection of two linked lists. Given the head of two singly linked lists, head A, head B, return the node at which the two lists intersect. If the two linked lists have no intersection at all, return null. For example, the following two linked lists begin to intersect at node C1. So we got A1, A2, B1, B2, B3, and then C1. The test cases are generated such that there is no cycles anywhere in the entire linked structure. Note that the linked list must retain their original structure after the function returns. Okay. Okay. You get that? You get that?
yeah.
Okay. So, anyways, custom judge. The inputs to the judge are given as follows. Your program is not given these inputs. Intersection val, the value of the node where the intersection occurs. This is 0 if there's no intersection node. Okay, yep. The first linked list, second linked list, skip A, the number of nodes to skip ahead. Yep. Skip B. Okay, perfect. The judge will then create the link structure based on these inputs and pass the two heads, head A, head B, to your program. If you correctly return the intersected node, then your solution will be accepted. All right, got that? We got that. Example one, we got linked list A, linked list B. So linked list A is 41845. So 418. Oh, 41845. Yep. And then list B, we got 561,845. Okay. And then of course the judges passes in the how many skips per linked list, and then intersection at 8. So I guess let me just read the explanation. The intersected node's value is 8. Note that this must not be 0 if the two lists intersect. From the head of A, it reads as 41845. From the head of B, it reads as 561,845. There are two nodes before the intersected node in A. There are three nodes before the intersected node in B. Note that the intersected node's value in 1 because the nodes with the value 1 in A and B blah blah blah, different references, blah 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 blah. Okay, so we got it. We understand.
Yes, I understand. I understand.
Same thing here. You know, they intersect at 2, and then this one, there's no intersection. So, yeah. Constraints. Let's
Okay.
make sure we read the constraints. The number of nodes of A is in the M. The number of nodes of list A is in the M. The number of nodes of list B is in the N. Okay. So M and N is going to be greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 3 times blah, blah, blah. The node val, okay, yep. Skip A could be 0 all the way to M, 0 is 0 if list A do not intersect, equals list A. Okay, perfect. Could you write a solution that runs in O of M plus N time and use O of 1 memory? Ufas. Okay. All right, Jose.
Okay.
Whew.
Okay.
That was
Okay.
a lot. So,
Okay. Hmm.
there's no cycles, right? We don't got cycles. A singly linked list. Um, just to throw these out there, a couple like algorithms or concepts that I remember of linked list. Is the turtle and the hare, of course, right? The
Yeah.
hare,
Yeah.
the turtle, or fast and slow, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have. I think that's all I know, to be honest with you. But I don't know if
Yeah.
that's relevant to this. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. But um,
I don't think we could use it because I was thinking of that one too. Because the hair and that one, but I don't think it would work because A and B are different lengths. You get me? Like the skip, it's a different length. So we might reach C from A sooner than we do from B to C. Because in B they have 3 skips and A has 2 skips. So mhm.
well, I mean, one way, right? I guess just to say something is store all of one list, one linked list, store all of it into like a data structure, and then iterate to the other one and check to see if they're the same.
Yeah.
If there's one
Yeah.
that's the same.
I was
Um,
actually thinking of that, like doing that, exactly that.
and then we could figure out if there's a way we could do this. Or is that this?
I
Oh,
think
that's
our
this,
solution is,
but it's not that.
I mean, that is true.
But we could try it. You want to just try that first?
Yeah, I'm down to do that. What's a data structure that like has no duplicates? It's not a dictionary. It's
It's a
a
set.
map. It's a set. There you go. Set. Yeah, we
Yeah.
can use a set
But why do we care about if there's duplicates?
because that way we can see if a node's already in the list.
But will it tell us if there's duplicates whenever we try to add it
Yeah,
to a set?
I think so. Yeah. If let me search that up. Uh huh. Yeah, you can do that. We can do that. Yeah.
Okay, so store all of one linked list into set.
Yeah.
If node is in set, return node. Wait, return. Yeah,
Return. I think it's node.
return
No.
node.
Yeah.
Else return no.
No. Yes.
And then, but make sure we don't move the head. So we got to use temp. But okay, right?
Yeah.
So temp
Dude, people
a
are partying hard over here, bro. Damn, I joined them.
equals shoot. Shoot. Maybe after this the stream, we could go join them.
Yes, sir, bro.
All right. So now we got that. Oh, yeah.
Give a second. Give a second. I'll be back, my
Okay.
guy.
All right. Back.
I'm back. Yes.
All right. What's up? What's up?
I'm good. Okay.
Wow. Temp a.
What temp is not? It's not no.
Huh?
What temp is not no?
Oh shoot. Right.
Yeah.
If one of them is 0, if there's nothing. Oh wait. There's always gonna be 1. Okay. So there's never gonna be 0. So I
Okay.
guess we don't need that. Okay. All right, my bad. I'm back. So now we could iterate. We could just choose one. We're not gonna know the
Okay.
link, so we just choose one.
Yeah.
So, wow, temp a dot
Not.
next. Yeah or
No,
nay?
I think it's temp A.
Okay, I'll just
Wait.
temp a. Yeah.
Temp A.
Yeah.
No.
Which is
Well,
wow
temp
temp a.
A. Huh?
Which is wow temp a.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You right.
How do you do a
Curly
set?
braces. I think it's curly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna say if temp a dot val in node set return temp a. Yeah or nay? Wait,
I mean, this,
wait. No. This is
no.
we're just
Yeah.
adding.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay,
and
okay, okay.
yeah, and you don't have to add the value. You have to add the node.
Okay, okay. You don't want pinned,
I
right?
think it's no. It's I think it's dot add.
Like that. Your name.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yep, yeah.
Do you need a you just iterate?
Ooh. Wait, yeah, yeah. You just iterate. Yeah, yeah. You just iterate. Yeah. The very end. Yeah, you return. Yeah, you return that. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Should
I
we
think that
try it?
works. Think that works.
Try it, try it. Ooh. If head
Uh,
A, not none.
huh. I think it's equal equal. I think you were right at the first time.
Oh, I
Or
think
you can
it's
just
if not. Wait, no. What am I doing right here?
you're checking if head A is exists.
Oh, okay. If head A.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that's
Yeah,
yeah, I think that should work. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah. Damn, we're rusty. I'm rusty, sorry. Okay, there's no add.
Yo, what the heck?
What the heck, bro?
What
You're
the
giving
heck,
me
man?
you're giving me false.
Nah, 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 bro. Nah,
Now I
nah, nah,
can't
nah,
trust
nah.
you.
What?
No, I can't trust you. Come on, bro.
Yo, that's crazy.
That's not crazy. You're
That's
lying to me.
crazy. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Oh, is
Oh.
note said
No!
we eat the
No!
oh my god, bro. You throwing, bro. You are bro. Nah, man. Nah, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Why is
That's crazy.
why is
Nah, 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 nah.
why
Nah,
is
nah, nah,
space
nah.
bar a submit?
Nah, nah,
Dude,
nah.
I'm being so
Nah,
serious.
bro. Stop the cap. Stop the
I
cap.
accidentally
Nah, nah,
pressed space
nah,
bar.
nah, nah, nah.
Oh
Nah,
man.
nah, 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 bro. That's crazy. That's
Now we're
crazy.
2 weeks
That
break, two
oh
week break, and we come back and we're messing up like this.
damn, bro. That bro. I don't know how to feel about that.
Okay,
Might end
let's
stream right here.
none. All
No,
right, what
it's
is it?
node set equals set over here on line 19. Yeah, set parentheses. Yeah, yep, yep, yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 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 okay.
Let's see if there's some more
So
test cases.
yeah,
I
let's
mean, it
see,
doesn't
let's see.
matter already because somebody submitted. So
Okay, let's see, let's see.
so tradition now.
Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Should we just submit it?
Yeah, we have nothing to lose, bro.
You need to stop with that. Let's try this,
Ooh.
try this.
All right, let's try something. Let's try something. Let's see if it's
Let's
your
see.
fault. Click. No. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
No. 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 I'm good. I'm good.
what?
What'd you say?
B must consist of one, two.
Oh, I think you're missing.
I'm missing a value, yeah?
I think so.
Where was it at?
I
I'm
think
not
you
doing
got
all
this.
that. I'm not doing all that, bro.
All right, press space. Press space. Click on the dark on the black bar over there. No, yeah, right there, right there, right there. And then press place. Press yeah.
Oh yeah. Dude, I don't know what I did then. I'm
Oh,
sorry. I don't know what I did. My bad,
oh
my bad.
man, caught on 4K,
Submitting.
bro.
I'm submitting it. All right.
Oh, damn, that was
Not
pretty
bad.
fast. That's pretty
Not bad.
fast. Pretty good. Pretty
But
good. Pretty
let's
good.
do the follow up though.
All right, I think our solution is n plus n. Pretty
Yes.
sure.
But the memory is not what it that's the challenge right here, is the memory.
But what is constant memory? What does that mean? Because I've never been
Where
good with memory.
that's where we don't create a new data structure.
Okay, okay.
So it's like in place
Got
from
you.
what? Or you somehow like use a hash map. Nah, I don't know. I don't think that's right. No.
Got you,
Yeah,
got you,
oh
got you.
one memory. I think it's you don't. It's in place. But can we fact check that?
Let me fact check that, bro. Let me
Why
fact
isn't
check.
there AI already in LeetCode, bro?
Uh,
Like, why isn't that a thing already? Like, do they have interns or something, or like what's going on?
it happened. Hey, we should add send an email to LeetCode to be our intern, so we can be interns.
Wait, hey, one step at a time, baby. One step at a time. All right.
Bro, Carly's gonna be in the front end, be like, "Hey, the button doesn't work," blah blah, finding all those little bugs.
Yeah. All right, dude. What's the
Uh,
answer?
no, I can't. There's no answer. Like,
Okay.
yeah. I don't know if you wanna check. Oh, never mind. There's an answer.
So you're lying to me
Ooh.
now? Oh my!
Oh my!
Whoa, whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! Inconsequential. What is that word, bro? Is this like a vocab class or something?
Meaning,
Inconsequential.
meaning the amount of input doesn't matter because you're not gonna store it anywhere. That's what I think.
Ah, got you. That makes sense. Mm,
Constant memory use regardless of the size of your input. Oh, hear me out, hear me out, hear me
you're
out.
gonna use a fixed amount of fixture, for example, a few variables integers booleans, a fixed size 26, extra arrays like a hash max to grow the size of n. Okay, so ours
Hear
is
me,
not n.
hear me out, Jose.
Uh-huh.
O of one memory, for example, could be, let's say we have two variables. We have like variable one and then variable two, right? Right? These only hold one value. So let's just say like it holds the current value of head A and the current value of head B, right? If we
Mm-hmm.
loop through a linked list and just update one of either of these two variables at a time, that's O of one memory. Because
Yeah.
as we're iterating through the thing, we're not increasing the memory usage. We're still using the same memory usage. We're just swapping the variable or updating the variables. Yeah or nay? Yeah or nay?
Yay.
So does that count as O of one memory or no?
Yes, that does
Okay.
count as overall memory
So
because you're just changing the value, not the memory itself.
yeah.
But
So
here said is of n. So
yes,
then yeah, that's
because the
of n.
size of the set
It depends on
increases
the
per
yeah.
per size of the linked list of A. Yeah or nay? Yeah or
Yeah.
nay?
Yeah. I agree.
Okay. So what's a way we could still use variables but we can't have the variable value scale as the input scales. Wait, whoa, your mic.
Hello. Is it
You're
better?
back now. Yeah.
Okay. Got you.
All right. So
Huh.
what are you thinking? I mean, is there like we go to A, we check B, they're not the same. You move them both at the same time. You go to A to B2, they're not the same. You
We can
move
keep
them
a
at the same
counter.
time.
No,
That's not.
like
I don't. Oh yeah. You could keep a counter as long as you're changing the variable, like
we.
value. Like
Yeah, I was thinking like a counter. Like A has a counter, B has a counter. So they both start at 1, then they go to 2, then go to 3. But no,
I feel like there's like a hidden math theory trick behind this. Like if you iterate through the linked list and the counters aren't the same, like that means there's like I feel like there's something like that, like a little trick where like if you both iterate and then like the numbers are off by a certain amount, and that means there's an intersection, and that means there's not an intersection. I don't know.
yeah.
You
Can you
know,
go
you what's up? What's up?
go down to the examples? I want to see something.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I see. Huh. Okay.
Oh, dude, Jose, Jose, I
Yeah.
got it, Jose.
Okay.
You
Let me
ready?
see.
You ready?
Yeah.
Jose, I got it, Jose.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Ready?
What do you
What I
mean?
was gonna say was, if you iterate through both of them, and the node at the end is the same, then that means there's guaranteed an intersection. But
Oh.
we can't return the node. We gotta figure out how do we find the node that it's
Oh,
at.
gotcha.
See what I'm
That
saying?
is true. Hey, that's a good approach, though. That's a good approach.
You see what
That
I'm
was a good
saying?
one. That was a good one.
Wait, we could build off that. I think we could build off
We could
that.
we could build up that.
We
Yeah,
could
hundred
build off
percent.
that. So
Let us think. Let us think.
that was cook. Hold up, cooking. I'm cooking. Give me a second. So if they're both equal at the end, then that means there's guaranteed an intersection.
Or or
Or
or we can go to 5 and then we can backtrack. Oh, we can't. We can't backtrack. We can't. That's my fault. We can't backtrack. We can't.
I mean, we can if we make it a doubly as we keep going.
No, that because that's more memory. That's more memory.
Is it?
Yeah, because you have to
Yes, it
store the
is. Yes, it is.
pointer.
Yeah. You're right. Hmm.
Let us think. Let us think. It's because there
What?
has to be a way with the 3 and 2, like the differences, like the skips.
Mm-hmm.
Like if there's a way to like make one pointer move while another one stays still. You know what I'm saying? Maybe let's say we're 4, and then we say, "Hey, 5, are you the same?" We move to 6. 6 say 4, are we the same? No. So you move to 1. You check, "Hey, 1, are you the same?" No. So you move to 1. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. Give me a sec. Let me think about. Let me think about this one. Huh? No, doesn't work. Doesn't work. Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Interesting.
Very
I'm
interesting.
thinking. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Hmm. If they both end with the same node, there's an intersection.
Oh, this is crazy. Well, here's my number. So call me maybe.
Will it be crazy, Jose? Hear me out.
Yeah.
Will it be crazy to do? Okay, you see my mouse?
Yeah.
You start right here at 4. And then on B, you loop through everything and see if you find a match. If you don't, you restart from the start and then you move this one to the next. And then you move B until you see you find a match. You don't, you move A and you start in the front again for B.
Okay. So you're saying that we loop. Okay, I think I know what you're saying.
Or maybe you don't even need to start from the beginning. You start like, okay, look. So you start at 4 and you loop through the whole list. You found nothing, now you start right here at 6 and then 4 moves over here. And then you loop through everything, nothing doesn't match. Okay, you move A to 8 and then you start right here at 1. And then you check, is there an equal? Oh yeah, there is an equal. And then you return the node.
Okay, so you're
You're,
saying to move 5 and 4 at the same time?
you have A as a you have one variable for linked list A, one variable for B, and all you're doing is you're just moving B. And while B is not none, you keep checking it with A, but A staying there. A staying at 4 until B ends. Until B hits none, B resets, but all the way right here to the next node that it started from.
But what are you looking for? Like, are you looking
You're
for
looking to
what are
see
you
if there's a match
with
where
4?
where A is at, yeah. And if there's not, A moves to the next one, but B start minus is one link node, so it starts right here now.
Okay. Okay, I
And
see you.
then
I
it
see.
looks all the way to find the same node. It doesn't. Now it minuses these two nodes now. Now it starts right here. B starts right here. And then you increment A, or you move A to 8. And then
Okay.
you iterate again. And then, of course, it matches right here. It'll find a match. But let's say it didn't, right? Let's say it didn't. Then B starts right here at 8, and then A moves to 4. And then A iterates, and then, does that make sense?
How would you do it with example 2?
You pissed me off. Okay, well in this
It's
case,
I think it's
we
possible
always start at the beginning. So we don't minus B at all. We always start at the beginning.
Where's the beginning?
At the head, right here.
Okay,
4
okay,
or
okay,
5.
okay, okay.
So you always start.
Okay, so you always reset to the head,
Yeah.
right, of B, and A it goes boom,
And
that's the one that keeps moving,
yeah.
looping. Okay, I see, I see.
Yeah.
Um,
That's I think that makes it O of 1.
yeah, but I think we lose the n plus n
Do we though?
because we're looping twice, like more times. It's like n squared, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Alright, dude.
Because it's not m, because m means we only loop through it once.
I think
But since
it's M to the power, no, M times M. Because it could go M times. Like you
okay,
go
yeah, I get you. Yeah, yeah,
M
yeah, yeah, yeah.
length, And you could do that m times or n times, which is a. However much you pivot a, that's how much times you're gonna loop b until you find. Anyways, that doesn't matter. You're right. It's not n plus. It's not n plus n anymore. So, all right, ignore that. Ignore that idea.
No, but we can pivot. We can pivot from this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we just cause I don't know, man. It's hard. It's hard because linked lists don't have indices. They don't have nothing. It's just a list.
Is there any hints? Any hints?
Maybe.
Okay.
No
Let's
hints.
let's try it. Let's see. Let's see. Upvote if helpful. Okay. Ready. Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
First, using constant space, check for last element of both linked lists. Okay. See, we're getting somewhere.
Okay.
If tails of both lists are different, return no. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Now we know that intersection length will be same for both lists. So we want to make length prior to the intersection equal. Oh. You catching it?
Okay. I think so.
Head pointer of the longer list is moved to the next till length of both lists become equal. Now we have the intersection point at the same distance from head for both the list. Now keep comparing the heads till match found. Now try to implement yourself. Think that would be easy.
Okay, that makes sense. So first, what they do here
Just
is
check
that they first look at the length.
tail.
No, yeah. They always like traverse and get the length of everything. Length of
Yep.
A, length of B. You subtract it. You say, hey, the longer one has this extra.
Yep.
Those three extra, let's say 2 or 3, whatever. You move the largest one until like you move that X amount of times. So 1, 2, 3, and then now you have this. You're starting at the
Yeah.
same point,
Same.
and now
Yep.
now you can keep iterating all the way
Until
through.
you find the equal.
Yeah.
Now you tell me, is that m plus n?
Well, this is the one space solution, though.
Yeah, but the follow up is, can you write it n plus n and use only O of 1 memory?
Okay. So you loop through once. So that's M. M
That's
times.
that's m and n.
M and N. Yeah, M and M. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, it's M and N. And then,
You loop again.
yeah, that's going to be N. Okay, yeah, I don't think that'll work.
Or will it? Or maybe we're not understanding what n plus n means.
What is M plus N?
Yeah, where's our assistant at? We have an assistant?
No, I got the system.
All right.
In algorithm terms, N plus M usually refers to the combined sizes of two inputs. For example, N is the size of the first input, M
Yep.
is the size of the second input.
Yep.
Um, Time complexity N plus M, you visit every element in both arrays once.
Yep.
If N is 1,000, if M is 500, then the algorithm runs in O of 1,500 time. It shows linear complexity with respect to the total input size. Meaning
Okay.
you only you traverse the linked list, both linked
Yeah.
lists
Just
one time,
once. Yeah.
just once. Damn, damn. Damn.
Oh man.
Hey, we solved it though. We're
We
not just
solved
this.
it. No,
This is
we
the
solved
follow.
it.
This is the
But we
follow up.
want to do
So
the follow up. Mind
doing
y'all,
the
we want to do the
follow up.
follow up. I think the follow up is really nice. So n
It's
plus
interesting.
n. We got to go in Excalibur or something or like.
I'm down to do the skeleton. You want me to
All right.
open that
Yeah.
that thing?
Let's bring it out. Let's bring it out.
All right, let me see. Let me see.
We are.
Let me send you the link over here, my guy. Dude, actually, I keep pressing Alt in my keyboard, thinking it's the Command key. Ufas, what's happening to me?
You're used
All right.
to. You're already used to the Mac.
Yeah. All right, let me know if you're here, brother.
All right. I think I'm here. Where you at? Where you at?
I'm drag a square right here.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
I think are
I
we in
don't
the
think
same
I'm
one?
here. Wait.
No, I don't see your little bubble.
Okay.
Let
Okay.
me let,
Recheck.
let me
Recheck.
open it. Oh, my PC's about to die.
You gotta. Hey, you gotta lock in, bro. Lock in.
I got you. I got you. Got you. Got you.
Lock in. Lock in. You set a new one?
Yes. Let me see. Yeah, let me send the new one.
Yeah, I want to ride my bike already, bro. Late night run,
Oh no, but it's scary, dude.
dude. You got me.
No, my legs kind of hurt today. Sorry, brother. Gotta
Really?
pass it this way. Yeah,
On
my legs
stream,
kind of
you're
hurt.
gonna do it like that?
Bro, what do you mean? I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. You want? We can go
Okay.
up
Yeah.
over
Yeah.
here.
Go. 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 Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
we're here.
here.
We're here. We're here.
We're here. We're here.
We're here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.
All right. So, should
You
we bring the
wanna
picture
copy paste?
over or?
Yeah, copy paste it over here.
All right. Ugh.
Oh, damn,
Yeah. Okay.
damn.
So, what's the issue, man? What's the issue?
Man, the issue is that the follow up is
Follow up? Yep.
being good, bro. It's not being good. All right, so let's see. Gonna put here. Put it here. Start at 5 for 4. Move on. We move on.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, we loop once n plus n times, and we find to see if it's an intersection by if these two are the same. If we
Yeah.
have a counter, we have a counter, we can know the different lengths of the two, right? So this one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other one would be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right.
Right.
If we weren't doing n plus n time, we just say, okay, we know the biggest one is B. Let's move over to the next one X amount of times, and X is the length of A minus B, the absolute value of those, right? Right.
Yeah.
So now
Hold
you're
up, bro.
starting.
My mom is calling me, brother. Give me a second. Give me.
Oh, ufa. Okay. So now that we have them at the starting point, you iterate both at the same time. Boom, boom, and then you find that the intersection is 8. The problem is that that's not O of n plus n to our understanding. Now, if it is n plus n, then me and Jose gotta remember that and not mess up again in the future. but we don't think it's O of n plus t plus n. So then what's an alternative? You start at B or you start at A. You move. 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 Okay. Let's see. And then they're both right here. 1, 2. Oh. If the next. Oh, wait a minute. If node.next is equal to. If node.next is equal to node. Going back to the problem, let's see. The number of nodes to skip.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo,
I'm back, brother. Sorry.
it's all good.
Yes, sir. All right, bro. What'd you come up with? What'd you come up with?
Wait, dude, I'm seeing a hash table in the topics. Can we use
Ooh.
inspiration?
We can.
Let's break it down. Let's see. Can I type in this? Okay. Intersection of two linked lists. How do you solve it in O m plus n time and O of 1 memory? Should I ask for hints or should I just say how to solve it?
I'll take hints. Let's take hints.
Okay. Can you give me hints on
How to solve. How to you? Okay. Okay.
All right, ready? Sure. Here's how to think about solving the problem and find the intersection node of two singly linked lists in O n plus n time and O 1 space. Problem recap, you're given 2. Yep, we know that. Hints. Hint number 1. Understand what intersection means. The two lists intersect if they share a reference to a node, not just a value. That means from the point of intersection onward, the nodes are the exact same objects in memory. Okay.
I think we know that. I
We
think
know that
so.
one. We know that one. Yep. Hint number 2, use 2 pointers. PA, pointer A, pointer B, starting at head A, head B, respectively. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah,
That sounds fair.
That's okay. Walk through both lists. When a pointer reaches the end of the list, redirect to the head of the other list so you.
Oh, you might be right then.
When a pointer reaches the end of its list, redirect it to the head of the other list. I didn't say the other list. I said the same list.
Okay. All right, keep on going. Let's see.
So pointer A goes to head B when it reaches the end of A. Pointer B goes to head A when it reaches end of list B. Okay, and hint 4 just tells us why it works. If the two lists intersect.
Let's think of that. Let's think of that.
All
Let's
right,
explore that.
right here. So I'm
Okay.
I'm A. You're B.
Oh, I have a
Okay.
mosquito. Okay. Yeah. Go.
All right, ready. So I'm
Okay,
here.
yeah. I'm
You're
here.
there. Okay, we move. We're not the same. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm here now. I'm here.
Yeah.
You're not moving.
Oh, I have to
Okay.
move. Okay.
Yeah. Are we the same?
No.
Okay, move. I'm here. Are we the same?
No.
All right, I'm here. Are we the same?
No.
Okay, I'm here. Are we the same?
No.
Okay, I'm here now. Are we the same?
No.
All right, I'm here. Are we the same?
No.
I'm here. Are we the same?
No.
I'm here. Are we the
Oh.
same? Ooh! But is our misunderstanding of what n plus n is that where the issue's at? Is this n plus n, or is this? So should
Not
we scroll
sure.
down? If the two lists intersect, the pointer will meet at the intersection after the most n plus n steps. If they don't intersect, the pointers will eventually reach none at the same time. Can you explain how that is O of m plus n if you're starting at the beginning again?
Oh, okay.
You get it?
Wait. No, so each pointer
They
traverses each.
never, since you're going to the other list, you're not doing M again if you start at list M or B, for example.
Yeah, you're doing the other one, the other list.
So
So
it's
if I
always going to
P,
be M plus N.
yeah, both of them. Yeah.
But,
Oh, okay.
but,
This make okay. Time complexity. Okay, that makes sense. Uh, yeah. So okay, that makes sense because we're doing n plus n, but constants are ignored when it comes to time complexity. So you just drop the 2 and just keep the n plus n. That makes sense. Yeah. Okay. So that's why it's n plus n. But you still have that 2. But since the notation, you can drop constants. And since 2 is a constant, you can drop it, just keep the n plus n. Because constants become very irrelative, like they lose the importance when n plus n are really big. You know what I'm saying?
mm-hmm.
So that's why you're able to like drop those constants. That's the only thing. That's the only question that I was thinking is like it could be n plus n, but what about the constant? Because I thought you can only drop constants when you were adding like n plus n plus 2. You can add that, remove that plus 2. But no, you can also remove it with a multiplication. Yeah or nay?
Yay.
Yeah. So that's why it works because you're able to go back and then eventually, yeah, that makes sense. Let me see. I had to. Huh. I think even the other one, the one we had with the we had to find the difference and stuff. I think that's m and
Mm-hmm.
n plus n. But you have to equalize the starting point. But how does that translate that to this when you? Hmm, that is interesting because eventually you're gonna reach. Huh. Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Because you're gonna have the difference of this. Yeah, that makes sense. Say we have this one, 1, 2, go placa, 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 placa. Placa, placa, placa,
Ba
placa,
ba.
placa, placa, placa.
Placa placa. Ba
Placa,
ba.
placa, bro.
What was that one?
Which one?
Ba ba or something like that?
But it's like bet or like bet. You know, it's like a synonym of that. Synonym of that.
Ba ba ba.
Yeah. Or it means like, okay, let's go. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's go, let's
Ba
go.
ba.
Yeah.
Ba ba.
Because it is a word. Because you can say él va, which means he goes.
Uh-huh.
So I just do it ba ba, like, okay, like, go, go. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like the
yeah, yeah.
green
Like
light.
that.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Dale.
Dale. There we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dale, dale.
Dale, dale. Yeah, yeah.
Bet, bet or no?
Bet, bet.
Dale, dale.
You use it the same way. You see it the same way, right? But they mean different things. Because bet means like you're gambling, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Dale means to go, like the
Go.
word to go. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So dale, dale means go, go. You know what I'm saying?
But va va.
Baba means el va, he goes. Like it goes. Like the whatever the plan goes. You know what I'm saying? Like let's go to the movies, you know, and I say it goes like, hey, you know, the plan keeps going. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give or take, give or take.
¿Qué comiste
Uh-huh.
tú?
Yo comí Whataburger.
Damn.
Damn. There's a Whataburger really close by, brother.
Is there?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Guess. How do I say guess what I ate?
Adivina?
All right, I'm not getting that. What? Adivina?
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 Adivina.
¿Qué? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Adivina qué
Comí.
comí.
There
Adivina
we
qué
go.
comí, José.
¿Qué comiste?
No, adivina.
Adivina? Oh,
See.
sushi.
Wow, that might be racist.
Bro, what do you
That
mean,
might be
bro?
racist.
What do
That might
you
be
mean?
racist. Yeah,
What
yeah.
was that?
That's racist. That's racist. For sure. There's no doubt in my mind.
What do you mean,
He
man?
didn't
How's that?
hesitate. I don't say anything about you. Like, well, oh, you ate TP, Taco Palinka, you know? I didn't say that.
Bro, you're
But
Mexican this time.
but I'm not gonna say why you're thinking that way, but like, you know.
I mean, I know you
Okay.
know you.
Next question.
Oh,
Next
no,
guess.
no, no. But what you like?
Alevine.
Oh, oh,
Alevine. Alevine.
oh. Panda Express.
No.
No. Orange chicken.
What? You're just saying Asian cuisines. You haven't switched it up.
Sticky rice.
No, no. Let me see. Hold on.
Let's see.
I know how to say it in Spanish. I know how to say it in Spanish.
Okay, okay, okay,
Ready?
okay. Yeah,
Um,
yeah, yeah.
they're called. I'm gonna butcher it. Ayetes. No, no, no. Ali. Um, Starts with an A.
Okay.
Yete. Ali.
I think I know which. I think I know what you're talking about. I
I.
think I know.
I. Can you say it?
I'm not sure, cause it's a dish that I haven't heard in a
No,
while.
no. It's a thing. It's a type of food. It's a. How do you say? Ayot.
Ayotes?
Oh, no, 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 no. Lo. Shoot, dude. It's on the tip of my tongue, man. Hold up.
Ayotes?
No, no, no. Uh. Uh. I'm gonna search it up.
¿Es el corcopita?
No, 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 no. What? That's not how you say it.
What are you looking at, bro? What type of fruit are you eating, bro?
Food?
Fruit. Oh,
I
you
said
said fruit,
food.
no?
Food.
Oh.
Uh,
Galletas.
no, I said it wrong. Uh,
Molletes?
no. Okay,
Is it
dude.
Mexican?
Chicken wings, dude.
Oh, chicken
How do you
wings.
say it?
Oh, alitas.
Alitas, dude.
Oh, bro,
Alitas.
that's so crap. Ayetes, bro. What? What are you? What are you, dude? Not even, bro. Way off,
I,
bro. Way off.
like I said, I was gonna butcher it, man. Alitas, alitas.
Alitas.
But what's
Alitas de
I searched it up and
pollo.
it said alas, alas.
Alas too, you can say alas or
Ali,
alitas.
alitas.
Yeah.
Anitas, alitas. All right,
Damn,
next
bro.
question, dude. Wait,
Okay,
wait.
okay.
Actually, no. We didn't solve it. We didn't do the follow up. So what I was doing
Oh.
here is how do we alternate it? Like how do we so what I'm doing here is I'm saying while PA or PB, so whichever one like it's gonna keep going until both of them are none, right?
Oh, well, we have to no, we have to check if one of them is no, right? So
Uh-huh.
we're gonna have two checks. If PA is no, equal it to the head of B.
Yes. But when PA is null again, you're still gonna equal it to the head of B, but it should go to the head of A.
Let's see.
Tu comprehendo?
Damn, bro, that's racist, bro.
What?
That is racist,
That's
bro.
that's basic
Damn, bro.
Spanish.
Damn, bro. But you talking to me in Spanish so I can understand? Damn, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. I know English, bro.
Ah,
Man is racist, bro.
I'm just trying to practice my Spanish, man. All right, I can't do
But
that.
man, but you put that out of nowhere. You comprehend?
Oh,
I was like, wait, yo.
hold on. I gotta. My bad. My mom's in chat now. I'll go to.
Oh, hey.
Hi, how you doing? Hi, mom.
Su hijo, muy mal, señora. Su hijo,
No,
muy
no,
mal.
no, no.
Se está burlando
Muy
de mí.
bien,
Se está
muy
burlando de
bien.
mí.
Mi,
Regáñelo.
mijo, muy
Regáñelo.
bien,
Su
muy
hijo,
bien. No,
muy
no,
mal.
no, 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 no,
Regáñelo.
no. Hi, mom. How you doing?
Hey, welcome to the stream, Miss Lopez. Welcome to the stream.
My mom has her full government name on the on her thing. Like,
She was like me, bro.
yeah,
On Discord. No, on Steam, on Steam.
mijo. I don't know how to say that. Mijo,
Oh,
portat, port, portate bien. Is that how you say it? What does
yeah.
that mean?
That you're a bad kid.
No.
No, it says to behave.
Oh, all right. I'll behave. I'll behave. I'll behave. I'll behave.
Muchas gracias, muchas gracias.
You're lucky,
Yeah,
Jose.
bro.
You're lucky she left. Wait until she leaves.
Bro.
Once the view count goes down, it's over. I'm gonna go back to what I was saying.
Oh man.
Where were
Oh.
we? Where were we? Okay, okay.
Okay. All right, let's get this done, bro. We've been
Okay,
here an
okay.
hour and 10 minutes trying to figure out this follow up. Let's see.
Good night, mom. Love you.
Buenas noches. Oh man.
Wait, she's tricking me. Wait, she's tricking me.
Oh
Hold up. Wait a minute.
damn, bro.
Nah, I'm not getting tricked tonight. There's no way.
Oh, she onto you, bro.
No, I think she's tricking me.
She's onto you, bro.
saying, "Oh, I'm gonna head out."
Zoom it out. She's just there waiting. Hey, she
Yeah,
won, bro. She won.
I know
Oh
you're tricking
man.
me. Okay, okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh man.
All right, where were we?
She's on to you, bro. She's on. Okay. Let's focus up. Lock
all
in,
right,
lock
all right,
in,
lock
lock
in, lock
in,
in,
lock in,
lock in,
lock
lock
in,
in, lock
lock
in.
in. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
so I said, while PA or PB,
Yeah.
right, right.
Uh-huh.
Then you have the check inside. If the nodes are equal the same, return the node. Yay,
Okay. Yep.
yay, yay.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
you increment them, and then right here is where you're gonna check if one of them, or if none, move to the other list. But let's say you already did that once, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you say like, oh, PA, if PA,
Well,
if not PA,
let me see. Let's think about it.
you
I
can't
don't
just
think it's
say you can't just say like PA equals head B,
yeah, I
because
get you.
okay, so maybe
I
there's
was I'm let's see. I'm out here in the schedule draw because I think it's not possible for it to go to the next one. Because basically what it's doing is like subtracting these two ones from here. So it's like going all the way and then it hits here, and this
mhm.
one is going all the way to let's see, let me think.
I
So
think it will
yeah.
eventually. He'll hit.
So we go like that, like that, like that, like that,
Why are you
like
eliminating
that.
the first one?
No, oh, this one just to like recreate the
Oh,
first
okay,
one. Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. Yeah. That, like that, like that. Okay. I think I know what's going on here. I think it's just subtracting. So this one goes like that, yeah, and then that one goes like that. So like that, and that one goes right there. Boom. And then this one, they both meet up in at 8. So what this is doing though, I believe, is that it's subtracting the difference. It's making sure we start here at the same
Yeah,
place.
yeah.
Even here, even if we start over here, we can move them this one right here. Right? We go boom. So pretty much it counts all the way to 5. So bam, 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 bam,
Bam,
then bam.
bam.
So what's left over here in this section
Hmm.
is the difference between both of them. You know?
Yeah,
Because we moved this one, right? Once it moves here, this one it moves to 5, this one moves to 6, and then this one moves to 4. So this is they're gonna have the difference of each other. For example, now if I remove this one right here,
yep.
and then we go here, boom, boom. We say okay, 8, 6, 4, 4, 4, 1, 5, 8. So you see how now this two have a 2 difference, 1,
Yeah.
2.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
That means is representing these two over here.
Yeah.
So now this one is gonna go to 5. This one is gonna go to 8. It's gonna go to 8. This one's gonna go to 6. This one is gonna go to 5. This one's gonna go to 1. And then here's where we get they line up. So they're always going to be the difference between these from here and here, that's going to be the whole distance from each other. So that's going to help them to begin right here. So I don't think one of them is going to overlap again and start initiate again on its own branch over here. Because if they do end up, if there's an intersection, they're gonna meet, right?
Yeah.
And it's always, if there's intersection, they are gonna meet because of this logic right here. Even though we can even create another one, another node over here, and see the same pattern, where now we have a difference of 1, 2, 3, right? So now we go to 5, we go to 1, we go to 6, we go to 4, we go to 1, go to 5, 1, and then this one over here. So now we see 1, 2, 3 of a difference. This is go to 5, this is going to 4, bam, bam, bam. So now we're again lined up, ready to go for this one and this one. You know what I'm saying? Because they always complement that difference.
Yes.
Yeah or nay?
So now knowing that,
Yeah.
going back to our code, how do we
Yeah. So
what's
basically, if not A, yeah, A equals to B, and then you do the other check. If not PB, right? PB we could have had A.
okay.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Now maybe I just didn't understand you, but how do we fix the issue that oh wait, okay. You're saying that it's never gonna go twice.
It's never gonna go twice because we always end up in the same position. Every time we overlap, right? We're always gonna end up start at the same position. Yeah, like that. Uh-huh. 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 Yeah. Now that 5 goes all the way to the green one. Yeah. Now you go with 8. Yeah. Then the 5, then the 4, then the 6, then the 5, then the 1, and then go to 1. You see, so they always meet up. They always align in the
I
respective.
see, I
Yeah.
see, I
Yeah.
see, I see.
Yeah. So if
Okay,
there is an
okay.
intersection, they will meet it. If it's not, you know, yeah, that's my understanding of why it works. Ufas. 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 Damn.
Woohoo!
Damn.
Okay.
Damn.
Turn if PA or PB, blah blah blah. PA dot next, PA dot next. Oh, okay. So if oh, okay. If PA, if not PA and not PB,
Oh, okay.
dare I submit this?
Wait, how'd that if statement work? I kind of skipped
So
that.
it's because there's with the way I had this logic, there was never going to be a chance where both of them are none to stop this while loop. So having this right here after you move them will ensure that whenever both of them are none, we return none.
Gotcha. I think I get you.
Because right here, both of them are going to be none. There's never going to yeah or nay.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so you're saying, okay, so you're looping through all of them, right? Boom, 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 4, 5, and then they're gonna go to next. And then if they're both none, and it's gonna return, okay. But wouldn't your if statements catch it though?
Which ones?
Uh, yeah, those.
These are ensuring that if one of them is none, you move it over. So
But what if
these,
both of them are none?
if both of them are none, then they both move over at the same time. Without
Okay.
this, it's not going to catch that. Like, so if both of them are none, PB is going to get changed and PA is going to get changed. But it needs to catch it. Like this while loop's not going to catch it because this directly changes it before it hits this again. So that's why you have this to catch it.
Oh, when both of them are none.
Yeah. And maybe there's a
I
better
see.
way to do this, but I mean, I don't know.
Okay, bet. I'm down for that.
Okay. So maybe it works. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Nice.
Oh, we went
Nice,
up
nice,
the
nice.
scale.
Well, oh well. Look, your memory's better. And what was it last time? Let's see. Oh,
We
well.
had
So we did
no,
all
no, no,
that.
no, no, no. It went down. It went
I
down by like
know, but like we did all that just for 4, 5, 6, for 8 decimal points. We did all that. We spent an hour and a half, maybe even 45 minutes doing all this just
I
so
mean,
we
now
could get 4
here,
decimal points.
here it comes where what's better, memory or speed? Because the first one we had, it was speed. Because as soon as we didn't loop through the second list. As soon as we
Yeah.
see an intersection, we escaped out. So that's
Mhm.
like M or the largest whatever it is, M, right? But we had that constant, that memory. Here we focus more on memory, reduce it, we
And the
reduce
time
it.
is not that different. Well, yeah, it
Yeah,
is
I mean
actually.
it's 4 seconds.
Mm.
So here we
So
focus more
pros and
on
cons.
memory.
You pros and
Pros and
cons. Okay,
cons.
okay,
Pros
okay,
and
okay.
cons.
All right. What's your insane level, man?
Right now I'm like at a 4.
4. Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah, we got some outside factors.
Oh.
People being racist lately. So
Whoa, what? Who are you saying that to? There's someone
my
outside
man,
your
bro.
house saying something or what?
Well, he is outside. He's outside. He's not in this
Oh,
house. He's on his house.
okay.
No, I'm kidding, bro.
Well,
I'm kidding. I'm
let me
kidding.
know who they are so I'll go catch them for you, man.
Nah, I'm kidding, bro.
Let me know. I'll go find them.
Dude,
Uh,
my neighbors over here. I was taking a nap, bro. I was like, oh, all good, bro. They started banging at their door like, "Ba ba 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 ba, open up, ba 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 ba." But I thought it was me, dude. I jumped out, bro. I was like, "Whoa, what's going?" I grabbed my glasses, ran to the door, and I
Ice.
just heard eyes, bro. I was like, "Hey, yo!" And I thought it was you. I thought you came to a party. I was like, "Oh, bro, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming." And I just like, as soon as I opened it, they entered to their house and they were getting mad. It's like, man, I'm waking up the neighbors and you don't open up, blah 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 blah. I was like, damn, bro, all for nothing.
You thought it was me. You're like, I'm
And I
coming,
thought,
I'm
yeah,
coming.
I'm coming, I'm coming. Wait for me, wait. Yeah, I thought it was you.
Oh,
Cause like, who
man.
else would be knocking at my door?
Yeah.
So I thought it was you. I was like, damn, bro, this guy, dude. I was like, whoa, what? Hold on.
Yo, Jose, I think what would be a great idea. I see that fireplace behind you. I think maybe one night, one stream, maybe you throw a couple
Ooh.
little firewood into the chimney, you know?
Dude,
Little
my apartment is gonna become the fireplace, dude.
maybe we could do some s'mores on stream. We could do some s'mores.
That'd be nice. That'd be nice. That sounds like a plan. I
Yeah,
don't
that
know,
would be
like I don't
cool.
know if it's electric or no. I think it's an actual fireplace. But I don't
Interesting.
know where the smoke goes or anything. I'm assuming like there's a vent up
Or maybe
that
we could
goes.
do a carne guisada right there. Carne
Carne
asada.
asada.
Carne asada.
Ooh, baby. Hey, the pool has some grills though.
No, we can just use the fireplace. Let's go. It
Carne
could
asada,
be
bro. Put a brisket in there. Ooh,
smoke it
baby.
overnight.
And
Smoke it
smoke it
overnight.
overnight, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. That'd be crazy, man.
Dude, that's a great
Oh,
idea. All right, let's speed
oh.
run the next one. Let's speed run the next one and we'll call it. Speed
Let's
run the
speed
next
run
one.
to this one. All right,
Oh,
bet, bet,
whoa,
bet.
whoa.
Whoa, whoa. Come on, brother.
My bad, my bad, my bad. All right, let's see. Speed run,
Yo,
speed
I
run.
want some quesadillas, man. Some
Wait, so I have a
quesadillas.
question. Carne guisada is a food.
Yeah,
Carne guisada.
it's another type
Car-
of food.
carne. Wait, which one's the cookout one?
No, carne asada.
Carne asada,
Yeah,
meaning at
like
home.
your
Home, like asada,
no, asada is
outside.
like is the
Oh,
thing. The grill is called asador,
uh huh.
so it's carne asada because you're doing it in an asador, like in a grill,
Okay.
like grilled chicken. It's like it's same where you're using a grill to make the chicken. So carne asada is using asador, and it's primarily outside. Carne guisada, it's a guiso, which is like it's like it has it's a dish, right? But it's more liquidish. Like it's carne, but it has some like a sauce in it.
Mhm,
You know what I'm
mhm,
saying?
mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, and it has a lot of spices and stuff. And so that's carne guisada because it's
Guisada.
guisada. Yeah,
Okay.
it's guisada. It's also like a type of type of like cooking.
Mhm.
So that's why it's a little bit. I think it's like with sauces that you start to make the cook the carne. But you know they both revolve with carne. Just same foods, you know, carne, but just different way of cooking. One of them has more spices and it has like sauce into it. Yeah or nay?
Yay.
Oh, bro, we're gonna speed that one up. Come on, brother.
Dude, am I? Is
No
there
way you.
something wrong?
Oh, bro, I was saying if you got it wrong,
Is
bro.
there something wrong with this one? I'm afraid to submit it.
I mean, check the constraints. No, okay, okay.
Have you
There's no
seen this
matter.
real? Have you seen this in a real interview before?
No, press yes, click yes,
Wait,
bro.
wait, 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 wait.
Oh, if you get this one wrong. Oh, thank God, bro, you got it right.
Have you seen this in a real interview before? Wow.
Yeah. Which company?
Google.
Google. Backend.
Machine learning
Machine.
last week.
Online
Uh,
interview.
online interview.
I mean, we ain't wrong. You have to do some addition in machine learning.
uh,
Come on, all right, we good here. We good here.
I like this one.
Oh, I like that one.
Split a string into balanced strings. Balanced strings are those who have equal quantity of L's ufas. Oh, okay,
Okay,
okay. Given a balanced string S, split it into some number of substrings such that each substring is balanced. Return the maximum number of balanced strings you can obtain.
oh,
So you see, okay, so it's either
oh,
going to be L or R. So if if you just count how much each there is, if both are the same, you could get one. But how do you get two?
all right. You can get two. You can split it into RL, RRLL. It says three contains the same numbers of RL, blah, blah, blah. Note that it's gonna split to because the second and five substrings are not balanced. Oh, substrings contain the same number of L's and R's. Note that S cannot be split into R L R R R L L R L L because the second and fifth substrings are not balanced. Okay. Okay, so we
I'm
just have
not.
to.
Keep going. Keep
Mm.
going.
We just have to start a substring. It's like a window. You at the window count how many R's and L's. If it's valid, great. Send it back, right? But I'm not sure. Yeah. You send it back. Like let's say you start an example 2. You start at R. Then you move to L. You have one R, one L. Hey, that's balance. Send it. Now you start a new window. You got R, and then R. You have 3 R's. That's still not balanced. So you continue. You get an L. You get an L. It's not balanced. So you get an R. Still not balanced. And you keep on going until you probably get balanced. If not, you're good. It's like a Windows. You open a window, make sure if that's balanced. If it's balanced, send it back. If not, gotta check it. Yeah or nay?
There has to be an easier way.
Maybe. I think so. I think so.
Like, I wonder if you sort it. What happens when you sort it?
You probably have all the R's and all the L's. Like in both, split up in both. But that doesn't mean that they're balanced though.
Yeah.
Because we're looking at the we're trying to split the string in balance. Yo, what's up though with the screaming, bro? You hearing this over here?
No.
People, men are going crazy, dude.
I'm trying to think. So R L.
That's balanced. So
Okay.
we,
So then you
s-
start right here.
yeah.
R. You have the count of R, and then you have L. Your first L. Whenever you encounter something that's not an L and the counter is not the same, then that doesn't count, and you start right here. No, you
No, you keep
don't. You
going.
start.
You
You
keep you
start.
keep going.
You start at the next one. LLR. This one's, I don't know, dude. This
No,
one's
you don't stop. You keep on going until you make it. You keep on going until the end, hoping you probably get it balanced. So you got RL, then you start at R, you get RRR, then LL, still not balanced, so you keep on going. You get an R, still not balanced, you keep on going. So you get an L, okay, still not balanced. Then you get another L. Now it's balanced, so you get it. You throw it back.
balance and quantity.
Huh?
Balance and quantity.
Yeah, you have to have the same R's and the same L's.
No, but it has to be R and L. It needs to be balanced.
The number of R's and the number of L's. The Spanish strings are those that
Uh
have an equal quantity of L's and R's characters.
okay, okay, okay. So this one you count it and you keep going.
Yeah.
R R
Then
R
R, still not balanced, and then
L L
L.
L R. Oh, that's easy. Okay, okay. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. Okay, okay, okay. So you're just expanding the window. One side of the window, you're expanding it,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
each
yeah.
time it equals the same, you count it.
Yeah,
Okay, equals 0.
yeah. You need an L counter and an R counter.
Okay, L R equals 0 0. Okay, okay. While R not equal. Wait, or
I think you could do a for loop.
4. Then why do we have? Then why do we have L and R?
Oh, because those are the counters for L's and the R's.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
I get, I
For
get, I get.
char in S, if char equals L plus equals 1.
Mm-hmm.
If char equals R plus equals 1.
Mm-hmm.
If L greater than 0 and R greater than 0 and L equals R, count plus equals 1. Yeah or nay?
Oh, we have to reset L and R.
Then L equals 0, R equals 0.
Yes. Now the thing is that we have to move char to the next R, like to the next starting of the window. Yeah or nay?
So then we do a while loop.
Or you can do a for I in the range of. So you can change the value of I to the next one. I think. You think you can. So wherever we say char, you can say S at position I. Hey bro, they got the cumbias, bro. Ooh,
Dude, I know where I'm going after
ooh,
the stream.
ooh, bro. Get some carne asada, bro. Damn.
Oh shoot, ops. We got the ops.
We got
Hey,
the
hey,
odds.
Ellie. Hi, Ellie. How you doing?
Oh, we got the odds. Oh, damn. Hey,
My
Andy,
bad.
welcome to the
Welcome,
stream.
welcome, welcome.
Welcome to the
You know,
stream.
we're just gonna go to bed right after
We're gonna go
stream.
back, go to sleep, no partying, no cumbias,
No,
no nothing.
no.
No, nothing, bro.
I don't even
Nothing,
think
bro.
there's nothing going on tonight. It's
Yeah,
just
I don't think so. I think the
very
pool is
quiet.
empty. Nothing. Yeah, no, um, no music, no nothing. Pretty chill after this problem. Straight to bed. You know.
I'm
Vibes,
tired.
bro.
I'm tired.
I wish I could go to bed. I think we should end stream early today.
Yeah, dude, I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired too.
So I'm
Wanna
just
go
gonna
to
go to
sleep.
bed after this
Gotta wake
problem.
up early tomorrow.
Ah. Whew.
It was a close one. It was a close one.
That was really close, bro.
That was really close. That was really close.
Like if YouTube doesn't have the option to go back, you could you could revert. You could rewind the video.
With a simple like an arrow, like 10 seconds.
Oh
Oh
man,
man.
it's over. You're cooked.
We gotta go. We gotta move to Twitch though. You can't do that over there.
I know. You know what? Let me disable the rewind real quick.
That's crazy.
All right, where are we at? Where are we
Uh,
at? Where are we at?
so here we say L R. Yeah, yeah. I like that. I like that. Now, if they're equal, oh, okay.
Dude, we didn't change anything. Like,
No, okay.
I don't know how I feel about this though. Or is
Yeah.
this accurate?
Let's see if we got some.
You reset it to 0,
Uh,
right? You got one,
let's go.
two. Reset it to 0. Okay, R. Okay, 1, 1. And then if L greater than 0 and R, so this doesn't activate because L is
It's
not
because
greater. They don't equal. Then now they equal. You reset it to 0. Yeah, dude, it's good. It's fine. It
yeah. All
resets.
right.
Yeah,
Bet.
yeah,
Bet. Okay.
yeah.
Bet. Okay.
Nice.
Damn. All right. Take it back. I take it back.
So let me go ahead
Take it
and
back.
revert that.
Oh man, no.
Let's see.
Stop the cap.
Thank you very much, dude. All
You
right, see
got
that.
premium or something? You know this. I think they're favoritism. Put some
No, no,
favoritism in
no,
here,
no,
bro.
no. No, 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 no. All right, man.
Whatever, bro. All right,
I
brother.
think that's it. That was a
I
good
think
good
that's it.
stream
That's a
back.
good, bro. We I like the problems we did. They were pretty cool. Pretty cool. We
Yeah, I
learned.
like the.
We refreshed
Yep,
some stuff.
yep. But
Yeah.
all right, man.
All right, brother.
Until next week.
Yeah. Till next week.
Ideally, not in the weekend.
Not in the weekend. Okay.
Yeah, so let's try
Okay.
to do it in the weekday. Let's try to squeeze one in the
Okay.
weekday.
I'm down for that, brother. I'm down. I'm
Okay.
down.
All right.
Yeah. All
Well,
right. So
what's up?
no. I was gonna say the ending, the outro.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I know we got Jeremy, we got Miss Lopez in here, and we got Ali. Thank you guys for tuning in for their work or stream back. Thank you a lot. Like Carter said, next stream next week, and we'll see how that goes. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for everything. Carter, you got anything to add?
No. I mean, appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all watch, if not, it's all good. That's about it.
Yes, sir. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day, great night, great evening, great morning, whatever time it is. Just have a great day. Thank you guys, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye.